As far as like your first step, as far as like the next step, like what do you foresee you spending? Where do you see yourself spending your most time, maybe over the next year or two?
So the next year or two, definitely scaling what I have. So I've always had a care course that people can join 24/7 access, and it gives them like all the tools and resources they need to feel better as a caregiver, feel prepared, know what to expect and how to deal with challenging situations. But about 3 months ago, I added in a membership portion called my Dementia Care Club, and so that's really been amazing. And it's I'm giving live Q&As, I'm doing new monthly trainings
Love it.
every month. It's really building an amazing community. There's support rooms where the Careblazers inside the club come together every single week, and they share what's working for each other and offer a really nice area of support and understanding and help versus just like ones that it's really easy to just vent and complain, and some it's like no, like
Right.
they understand the Careblazer model, they understand like the teachings, they have the basic foundation. Now they're into this Dementia Care Club and they're helping each other through there.
Love
So
it.
I'd
Love it.
say next 2 years it's just scaling that, helping more people know about it, qualifying them to get into it, making sure it's a good fit for them. And then once that's like good and stable, it will move on to the certification.
Hey guys, thank you so much for making it this far. If you'd like to watch last week's episode, click here. If you'd like to watch more exciting content on senior care, click here. If you'd like to learn how to open up your own adult daycare, assisted living, or home care agency, click here, krischanna.com. This is for all those senior care entrepreneurs out there. And let's get back to work.